One thing I've realized, especially living in India, is that that was kind of a mistake, I feel, for a lot of people, because they're thinking, okay, fine, I just need to get married to that moment. So if you're, imagine I'm a guy and I'm dating this girl or something, and I'm going in with that mentality.
Right.
So she does something that, I don't like or I don't enjoy or something, something that I don't like.
Right.
And then if I had that mentality, I'd just be like, it's fine, we'll get married anyway. I just want to get married to this guy.
Correct.
So present day, sir, I think people are getting into, relationships and or more with the whole mindset of, I just want to be happy today.
Right.
They're thinking about the present day.
Correct.
So obviously when you're thinking about the present day like that, what happens is you kind of become more picky, more choosy. And honestly, I feel like that's a good thing.
Right.
Because if you're more picky, more choosy, if you're thinking about your current happiness, not your future happiness when you're getting married, you're going to be happy every day. So yeah, I think it's definitely become better.
So, as per your opinion, that Indian culture is a backdated one, because of Indian culture was that once you married, when people that divorce and other things, that the trends was not there, but that now it's changing to that way.
So I think it was backdated, but you can see a very big cultural shift now.
Right.
So I think it's a good thing. Yeah, I don't think it's backdated, but I think it's slowly improving.
The trend is changing. That you're thinking it's a good.
Yeah, I think it's good because people are before if you want to think about it from a feminist standpoint, before it was like a girl gets married to a guy, and then her entire life revolves around him, and the guy can literally do whatever he wants. But like women aren't accepting of that now. They have control over their own life. So yeah, I think it's a good thing.
So what is the guarantee of that if once you have chosen one guy or one girl, and after that you're thinking about, no, this girl or guy is not perfect for me, you are choosing another one. So what's the guarantee on that the second chosen person also be correct for you? Or
so there's no guarantee, sir. You just have to take that risk. That's what love is, taking a risk.
Okay, so that the things is that again you found that something bad, that people that you should skip that, and again that you find.
So that's honestly, sir, it just depends on, at the end of the day, no one's going to be perfect for you. There's going to be at least one small thing and all.
Correct.
If it's only one thing, then obviously you're very lucky, because usually people have a lot of things that are not compatible or perfect.
Correct.
But so if it's one small thing, like only one small thing, then obviously, sir, you have to leave some corners go here and there, because you yourself are not perfect. That girl is also going to look at you and think, oh, this guy, I don't like his beard, I don't like his name, like that. But if she can let go, you can also let go for some
things. Like that, you should tell like that the compromise.
Yeah, there should be a degree of compromise.
Why not that the first, when you have chosen one girl or guy, that time you should...
So it depends how much you have to compromise.
Okay, so that you are talking about that compromise is good thing, but the things that if you're compromising in every sector is not good, right?
Yeah.
Like that.